您好，同学们。Today we will learn names of animals. For animals, we say 动物, 动物, 动物. That means animal. Look at number 1. 老鼠, 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 老鼠. That means mouse. Number 2. 牛, 牛, 牛. That means ox. Number 3. 老虎, 老虎, 老虎. That means tiger. Number 4. 兔子, 兔子, 兔子. That means rabbit. Number 5. 龙, 龙, 龙. That means dragon. Number 6. 蛇, 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 蛇. That means snake. Number 7. 马, 马. That means horse. Number 8. 羊, 羊, 羊. That means sheep. Number 9. 猴, 猴, 猴. That means monkey. Number 10. 鸡, 鸡, 鸡. That means rooster. Number 11. 猪, 猪, 猪. That means pig. Number 12. 乌龟, 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 乌龟. That means tortoise. Number 13. 猫, 猫, 猫. That means cat. Number 14. 熊猫, 熊猫, 熊猫. That means panda. Now we will learn questions and answers. The question is 你喜欢哪个动物? Once again, 你喜欢哪个动物? That means which animal do you like? In order to answer, you have to say 我喜欢, 我喜欢. You can select few animals. For example, 我喜欢熊猫. I can write 熊猫. 河 means ant, and 马. That means I like panda and horse. Here, 喜欢 means to like. 喜欢 means to like. 哪个 means which. 哪个 means which. 动物 means animal. 动物 means animal.